Guys, it is me, Ramon here. Today, we're going to do a paper airplane video. We have this paper airplane right here. It is a glider. Give me that, Dylan. It's my trusty little brother. Annoying brother, actually. Wait.
I'm doing my video.
No. Okay, look, watch. I'm going to switch my phone. And I'm going to throw. If it doesn't work, this angle is a perfect angle, so watch. See? Right there. If you want to see it again, let's do it again. Oh. It didn't work. So now my brother's gonna do it.
I'm doing my video.
No, just throw it. You don't even have a YouTube channel.
I'm doing one now.
No, you don't. Don't just do it.
Okay.
Just throw it. Where'd it go? Oh, it's over there. Okay, Dylan. So today we're gonna do a contest of see which paper airplane is the best. That one or this one. As you can see, this one flies cool. I'm not sure about this one if I add wings. Okay. In 5 minutes. Okay, so in 1 minute, this guy will have some wings, and I'll see you in 1 minute. Okay, guys, it has been 1 minute, and I have finished these two paper airplane with its wings. Comment down below where do you want to call this one or this one, okay? Okay, see if this guy flies good. Okay? Far enough. See if this paper airplane could beat the record of that paper airplane. You ready? Okay, I'm just yeesh. Round 2 for this dude. This guy usually flies pretty good. I made it today. Obviously, because you can see that computer open. Start now. Whoa! What? Okay, hold up, guys, hold up. Okay, look, okay. Okay, we're not gonna do this. I'm just gonna do this from the just pretend that this is the paper airplane's angle. Okay, so let's go. It went all the way right here to right here. That was awesome, guys. Dylan, guess what? This paper airplane went all the way from here to the puffy. That was just pretty amazing, okay? There it is, again. Strikes again. If you're wondering what happens if you throw it fast, it'll just crash immediately. But what happens if you throw it at a normal speed? Still crash. But if you throw it at a lightly speed, it should give it a nice little breeze. Nope. Okay. Here we go again. Test number 2. The way you this is not how you hold a paper airplane. This is how you hold a paper airplane. Let's go. Oh wow. Wow, okay, Dylan, throw yours. Well, technically this plane won. Now for the ultimate test. Let's see if it could go from this room all the way from here. We'll move on to the finals. Failed. Okay, go, Dylan. Oh, wow. Wow, surprisingly, it went over. Now, let's see if it could go from here. Oh, wait. See if it could go from here. From here all the way to that room. Okay, paper airplane, you better do good. One towards the puffy. Okay, go, Dylan. Oh, that's a tie. Round two. Round two. Okay, I'll go. Okay. Come on, paper airplane. Still one to the puppy. Go. Oh! Halfway. Halfway. That paper airplane gets another shot. Another shot. Okay, go. You ready? Oh, this is your last shot. This is your last shot.
Okay.
That was the second shot. So this is your last shot. Make it countable. Wee. Still a tie. Round three. Round three. My paper airplane is the best, obviously. Okay, let's go. Nope, it isn't the best. I regret that. Okay, go. Ooh, close. Close. Okay, let's give it like a little perspective. Don't go. So it went like this. Then it looks like you went right there. Then it crashed down. Okay, Dylan. Let's go off to round 4. Oh! My gosh. Okay, here we go. It went like this, then bang! It hit the corner, spun, then right there. Okay, Dylan. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Oh, you lost. How many inches? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mostly 18 inches, yeah?
Is it here? It is over here? No, over here.
Yes, I know. Okay, round 5. If this paper airplane round wins round 5, or either that one, then we'll go off to the finals. Ooh, okay. Okay, my airplane is over there. Now go, Dylan. You got through it more harder, you know. Okay, you get a second chance. Okay, go. Ooh. You get 2 more chances. 2 more chances. Man, this is pretty intense. Okay, go. Oh.
Close.
Okay, this is your last chance.
Okay.
Ooh, make it countable. Go. Bruh, you suck. Okay. Okay, don't calm down. Okay, okay, if either our plane wins round 7, then, finals, then after the finals will be the semifinals. And then after the semifinals, they'll get a prize. Okay, let's go. Oh, close. Here's a little perspective. It went from here, then swing, then right there. Oh my gosh, that was super close. Okay, go. Dang, dude. Get a little replay. Get a little replay. It went like right here. Then, yay. Then, doink. It landed. Dang. Are you okay? Oof. Oof. Okay, we'll be back after this moment. Okay, we are back. Now we are going to go to the finals. The finals is whose paper airplane can go past the stairs and past my computer. Okay, ready, set, go. My airplane can. Okay, go. Ooh, stops right at the train. Stops right at the train. No, actually, that wasn't the finals. This is the finals. See which one can do better. Ooh. No, actually. See which paper airplane can fly upside down the whole time past the computer. Ready? Wait. Ooh, almost. But I'll take that as a point. Okay, go. Where that? Oh, that went like right at the train. My airplane's actually better than this thing. Now, off to the semifinals. Whoever wins this would be the ultimate champion. Mom, come in, don't go in the backyard. Shoes?
There's no winter.
Yeah, you have to put shoes on. So, oh my gosh. Look, watch. You see what squirrels did to that pumpkin? R.I.P. Pumpkin. Sorry, Pumpkin. He died. Poor Pumpkin died. Don't go get your shoes on for the semifinals. To see which paper airplane can fly the farthest outside, like all the way to that shed. So we're gonna have to start from here and from there. It's a little bit windy outside. Not completely windy because I saw that leaf, that plant just shaking. Come on, camera, focus. One eternity later. 2 hours later. Oh look, another paper airplane. 3 hours later. My camera isn't focusing. 100 eternities later. Sorry, I'm not done yet. My brother's getting ready for the semifinals. Are you excited for the semifinals? Oh well, man, this is gonna be awesome.
I don't want you screaming outside.
Got it. Okay, my brother needs to put on this other shoe.
Who are you talking to?
I'm not talking to anybody. I'm making a video. And after this one shoe, then my brother
He needs a sweater.
is gonna be. Oh yeah, I forgot. Then after his sweater, then we're
Get
gonna.
your brother's sweater.
Okay. After his sweater, then we'll go to the finals, semifinals. Semifinals. Can you put this on? You can.
Mom, can you put my sweater on?
Of course, he can't put it on, Mom.
Yeah.
So we have to do it. Who eats all my chips? Oh wait, no, they're still there. Chester's bacon cheddar chip. That is delicious. Okay, guys, get ready for the finals. Oh my gosh, the semifinals. Get ready for the semifinals.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be exciting. I gotta be careful with my paper airplane, or else it's gonna break. Not break, but still. Okay, let me switch my hand. Oh my gosh. Whoever makes it to that shed, that's just gonna be the winner's prize, okay? Oh my gosh. This is what the squirrel did to the pumpkin. Well, R.I.P. Pumpkin. Okay, guys. There's another paper airplane right there. I left it out there. Okay, now we're gonna do this. Okay, who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay, Dylan, see how you go. Holy, okay. There's gonna be 2 rounds in the semifinals. Let's go paper airplane.